You know what people who don't know what they're talking about absolutely love? They love jargon. They love long sentences stuffed with bullshit. Sometimes jargon is shorthand that speeds things up for people in an industry. More often, jargon is baffling even to people inside the industry. Ask two of them what one polysyllabic piece of nonsense means and you'll get two different answers. Your surgeon is an expert with more than a decade of training in science and technique, but do you think any less of your surgeon because they say spreading instead of metastasizing? If you're like most people, you'd be more comfortable with a surgeon you can understand over one who baffles you. Take it out of medicine and into business. Do you think Richard Branson is an idiot because it's easy to understand every word he says? If you don't, why do you think your prospects will think less of you because you write in plain English? In fact, test after test proves definitively that the simpler you make your writing, the higher your conversion rate will be. People don't trust people they don't understand. People buy more from people they trust. If you want prospects to buy more from you because they trust you, try this with your website. Find a friend who is not in your industry. Ask your friend to read your website, then ask your friend to tell you what you do and why they think they should use you rather than someone else. If they can tell you, you've nailed it. If they start describing a business you don't understand as your own, you've discovered a massive opportunity to improve your conversion rate. This is just one of 7 things anyone can do to increase their conversion rate with no technical skills. You can download all 7 from Taleist.agency/7things.